Dana reads a certain book at an average rate of 2 pages every 3 minutes. The 4th chapter of the book is 28 pages. Based on his average rate, how many minutes will it take Dana to read the 4th chapter of the book? Here we can set up a cross product of two ratios. Our first fraction here is going to be related to our first part of the information, in which it was 2 pages every 3 minutes compared to, we know that that 4th chapter is 28 pages, and we need to find the number of minutes. We don't know it, so we can put a variable there. Then we can do our cross product here. Multiplying 2 times x and 3 times our 28. The first part here, let's do the 2 times x, that way the variable is on the left side. 2 times x is the same thing as 2x. Again, that is this part right here. And then the other side is going to be equal to this part of the cross product, 3 times 28. And 3 times 28 is going to give us 84. If I were to solve for x here, I could divide both sides by 2. And when I divide both sides by 2, I get our solution, which is going to be x equals 42. 42 here is answer choice C. Another strategy to do this and solve this in a potential different way might be to figure out how many minutes per page it takes them. So, if we're trying to figure out how many minutes per page, what we would have to do here is the following. We know that it took Dana 3 minutes to read over 2 pages, which is the same thing as 1.5 minutes per page. Then we know that chapter 4 had 28 pages, so we could take that 1.5, the rate at which they read, 1.5 minutes per page, and we can multiply that by the number of pages, 28, and that would also give us a solution of 42. Either way we solve it, as long as we get the correct answer of 42, in context of the problem, this is the number of minutes it will take Dana to read the 4th chapter of the book, which contains 28 pages.